How to enable mods in Opera GX. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel WebWiz. Today you're gonna learn how to enable mods in Opera GX, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So there are different ways in order to get your mods. The first and the fastest is if you have this left menu bar, in the fourth option you have the mods icon. And if you click there, you're gonna find the mods that you have previously installed in your Opera GX. So as you can see, there are two options at the bottom of each mod: enable or remove. So if I try to enable, for instance, this from Minecraft, I'm gonna have my mod activated. Okay, this is the Minecraft mod with sounds and some stuff. Remember that if you don't have this left menu bar, you must go into your settings. So probably you have this icon, or here on top right corner, the three horizontal lines, and perhaps this on modded, you can click there. Or also, because if I disable this, you're not gonna find that option, okay? So you must scroll down until you find go to full browser settings, and there you must scroll down again until you find the same icon. Okay, so you must click on manage mods and you're gonna find the same page. Also, if you want to get more mods, you must click on web modding and then click on get more, and there you're gonna be able to find a great variety and also a search bar if you have something in mind. Okay, so that's how you can do it. That's how you can enable mods in Opera GX.